Hi Shivani, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. Thank you.
So thank you for joining us. So Shivani, first of all, heartily congratulations for the achievement that you have. So from where you want to start regarding your achievement?
Sir, I would like to start by thanking you and the NG team
Right.
because I was not expecting this. I started my journey with a lot of distrust,
Okay.
and I had faced a lot of negativity here from people who were not maybe they were not my well wishers, but apparently I took the right decision at the
You're
end.
happy with the decision to continue with us. Now, this is
Yes.
something very strange, Shivani, the way someone who referred you or giving you the negative remarks. So it's like if I just stand at your side, so definitely I would have on a second thought. नहीं यार इनके साथ नहीं करना चाहिए तो ऐसा क्या हुआ what makes you feel कि नहीं यार let's go and continue the training and everything in the placement process as well.
Sir, to be very frank, I had started doubting things and I had stopped talking to the staff around Fab or something. But naturally, I started that instinct that we have, right? We get that instinct that this person is not right. I got that instinct, and that helped me into moving on from that particular point.
So what makes you feel that yes, you can achieve what you desire with us?
So first of all, about the training part, I enjoyed the training part a lot. There was not a day that I felt that, oh God, now we have a class again. Apart from some few days that you're not feeling well, apart from that, I used to enjoy the classes. My trainer is excellent and I really appreciate him so much. The way he helps in resolving our doubts. Never once I felt that he's frustrated, like we are putting a lot of queries again and again. He used to answer every time.
Who was your
It was
trainer?
Anand sir.
And the basic?
Sir, in basic also Anand sir was there, but in between a lot of trainers changed. I believe. I think you also trained me during the end of my basic. Yes.
Acha. Do you have any comment on that?
Sir, it was very motivating for me because when you joined the basic session, you used to motivate a lot. So that helped me, especially my first training went really well because I believe that each one of my trainer had motivated me. They had put a lot of trust on me, and that helped me trusting myself.
That's great.
So,
I remember अभी हमारी last time when you newly joined and we had a discussion, you asked me to go for the interview to give me the chance, and I think I allowed you to go for the interviews. तो वहाँ से क्या lesson मिला, वहाँ से हमें क्या सीखने को मिला that we understood, और फिर आज जो हम placed हैं with the package और जो तब हम try कर रहे थे, तो हम इससे क्या difference समझे? अब everyone having कि यार मुझे जल्दी से place होना है और यहाँ पे हम आप मेरे से बात करते हैं, मैं आपको कहता हूँ नहीं थोड़ा सा हमें ये लेवल प्रिपेयर करना है, इसको अचीव करना है, तो ये आगे आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा. तो आप अपने आप को पीछे देखते हैं, लुक बिहाइंड 4 to 5 months और आज देखते हैं, तो क्या डिफरेंस समझ में आता है?
Sir, that first interview actually helped me in realizing that what areas I need to work on, that I'm not prepared for what kind of things. So it was eye-opening first. Secondly, that real time made a lot of difference. During the first time, I was not prepared how to answer the very basic questions. Like people do not ask theoretical questions on the first interview, on first interaction, to be very frank. They have some general questions which I was not prepared for, and real time helped me in that particular scenario. So afterwards, I had given interviews for 2 companies and both went well.
True. हाँ, ये भी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी है कि आपके पास अभी पहले तो हमारा बीटी का ऑफर था एंड यू टुक चांस और आपने इन्फोसिस का भी वेट किया. तो कैसे लगा, मतलब क्या था आपका रीजन कि आपके पास ऑलरेडी ऑफर था फिर भी आपने एक और ऑफर की वेट करी?
The reason was very simple. When I started this journey, I was not expecting that I'll get a job at my hometown. To be very frank, I was well prepared that I will have to leave my city. I'll have to leave everything behind, and I was okay with it. In the last month, my father had suffered physically, health-wise, and
Okay.
he had a lot of health issues. So that was one part of my life. And secondly, at the same time, I started getting that opportunity that I might get an offer on my own city. So everything started syncing together that okay, if this happens, it will be a lot better for me given the present scenario. So that is why I had that instinct that I had received the first call from Infosys during like March or something, but afterwards I did not get any call. They had arranged an interview, but I never got a link. And suddenly I got a link in June. So somehow it made me feel that everything is syncing together. Maybe it was meant to be or something, but it worked like that only for me.
Perfectly fine. नहीं ये तो मतलब अभी कैसा लगता है कि there was a time अभी कुछ महीने पहले we were like looking for the job और अभी हमारे पास options हैं कि we have to join this company or that company. तो ये जो टाइम पीरियड रहा है, टाइम फ्रेम रहा है, तो इसमें मेन रीजन क्या लगा, कितना ड्रास्टिक चेंज? क्योंकि जब आप लोग आए होंगे या अभी जो बच्चा आता है, दे हैव द सेम क्वेश्चंस कि सर हाउ इट कुड बी पॉसिबल, आई डोंट हैव नॉलेज, आई डोंट नो एनी ऑफ द नेटवर्किंग, एंड हाउ इट कुड बी पॉसिबल दैट इन दिस मंथ आई विल बी रीच आउट दैट लेवल. तो ये कैसे लगा, कैसे फिल हो पाया ये गैप?
Sir, I believe that you need to work on it every day. Follow the instructions of the institute and your trainers, and do not just think about that, oh my god, this is not possible or something, because initially it feels like that नहीं हो पा रहा, ये तो हो नहीं सकता करके. But when you start working on it, like every day you get some knowledge, you need to work on it as well. I used to follow whatever the trainer used to say that you need to do this lab. So I used to do like 2-3 times, and initially it was like that there are so many commands, so many details, how am I gonna retain this? But with practice everything started like working on its own. Now it doesn't even feel that why was I thinking that it was so hard at first. It happens because every day you need to work on it. Every day you need to believe that yes, you can do it, and you need to listen to what the trainers are saying. That is the most important thing, because I have seen people in my batch only who are getting the same training, but some are working on like the trainer is saying and some are not, and there is a drastic difference between those. So it means a lot that if somebody is saying that you need to work on it, you should work on it.
Perfectly
and
fine.
Screening also helped a lot, because it made me like realize that where am I lacking. It used to help me getting the feedback every time. Each time the person who took my screening used to tell me that okay, you need to work on these particular areas, and that used to help me.
This is the main purpose of this screening. Thank you, Shivani, for this wonderful line for the screening, because most of the students are like, नहीं मुझे screening नहीं देनी. But as you said कि यार screening is something through which you will get the particular point कि यार कहाँ पे अभी हमारा एक work area है, कहाँ पे हमें अपने आप को better करना है. तो ये ट्रेनिंग फॉर्मेट जो बना रखा है टेक्निकल रियल टाइम, ये इससे कैसा लगा? मतलब इस एक्सपीरियंस को क्या समझ में आया? ये कुछ वर्दी है, ये कुछ मीनिंगफुल है कि पहले फॉर्म्स टेक्निकल पे जाएंगे, फिर रियल टाइम पे जाएंगे, फिर आप हमसे मिलेंगे रेलेवेंट एक्सपोजर में, वी विल हेल्प यू आउट प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग कंपनी, ये सब चीजें, मतलब क्या है फीडबैक इसका?
The result speaks for itself. I don't think इसमें तो कुछ भी कहने लायक बात है. मैं यहाँ बैठी नहीं होती अगर ये वर्क नहीं कर रहा होता तो.
ट्रू, बिल्कुल ये बात आपके परफेक्ट है. तो अभी आपने फुल बीटी से कितना पैकेज आया था?
7.15.
और इधर से इन्फोसिस से
8.
तो अभी कैसा लग रहा है आपका? स्टार्टिंग 8 लाख से हो रही है. फैमिली कैसी है, खुश है, कैसे मतलब?
I haven't told them yet. I am like, I'm keeping the secret because my family didn't know that I'm working on this.
अच्छा.
It was kept secret from my side. So after some time, I will tell them with certain like I want that dramatic impact. So I'm gonna like buy something for them and then surprise them with it that this is my first salary.
That is a great strategy. मजा आएगा. That's really nice. I want to know. मुझे जरूर शेयर करना है कैसा था फीडबैक सबका.
Definitely.
नहीं शिवानी, और अगर मैं if I personally share your feedback, I really like the way I do remember one day we had a chat. I think it's months now, and you were sharing your queries, the doubts थे, जो negativity आपको यहाँ से मिल रही थी. I'm really thankful to you. Actually, मैं आपसे connect होने का एक मेजर रीजन ये है कि मैं आपको भी thank करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि I think I was very busy into the like daily, the daily routine, क्या pack रहता है, training है, students हैं, placements हैं. So I was not realizing कि inside भी something is cooking inside the behind the scenes. बच्चे के ट्रेनिंग के अंदर भी कुछ कुक हो रहा है, कोई बंदा है या कुछ टीम बंदे हैं जो कि कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं. इफ यू वर नॉट देयर तो यार वो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता, मैं उस पर वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाता, मैं वो रिमूव नहीं कर पाता ऑब्स्टेकल्स और द वे यू ट्रस्ट ऑन मी एज अ ब्रदर, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ मेंटोर, जो भी आपने सोच के किया, इज रियली आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल कि मतलब आपने ट्रस्ट किया और मेरे को बताया, जबकि मैं आउटसाइडर, मैं आपके लिए न्यू था इन कंपैरिजन टू ऑल। और थैंक यार, मतलब ठीक है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि कोई बंदा अगर मार्केट में काम कर रहा है, अगर वो वही सब कुछ कह रहा है जो बाकी के, अगर कुछ फ्रॉड है या कुछ बंदे ऐसा कर रहे हैं, अगर हम भी ये बात सेम कह रहे हैं, तो वी आर नॉट जेन्युइन। तो आप लोग जब तक ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे तो पता कैसे चलेगा सबको, राइट?
ट्रू।
So Shivani, all the very best, yaar. All the very best for your future, and stay connected. Delhi कब आ रहे हो?
Sir, I will soon.
आप-
Soon I will.
Street pending है आपकी। ठीक है।
Sure. Definitely.
Done है शिवानी। All the very best, dear. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.